ups and downs, wrong or right, this family.
So what's up vloggers, what's happening, and welcome to my another video. So I'm going to teach you how to make a skin in Minecraft suggested by Noob Army 101. Hashtag comment idea how to make skin in Minecraft. So let's go. So first search skin grounds on Google, then go to skincraftnewgrounds.com. Click that, then enable press player, then click play. Let's click play this. Okay, this is not a game, this is the creator for Minecraft, skin creator for Minecraft. Okay, so click new skin. Let's click new skin. Click new skin. Yeah. Then I'm gonna choose blank, whatever you want to do. Okay, so add layer, and what do you want? Custom, all. I'm going to select all. So draw what do you want, but don't do this. Don't do this. Draw all of what do you want. So as you can see, there is a Steve guide. So blah 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 blah. I do blah 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 skin. Blah 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 skin. Okay, so save it as PNG when you're done. PNG. Wait, PNG. Okay, let's name it whatever you want. Name it. I'm gonna name it. This name I'm gonna name blah 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 blah. Then wait 20 seconds. I think. I don't know what happened. Then press continue, then just continue, then when you're done, go to your launcher page. Basically I use the launcher, so I'm going to go there. So upload your skin now. Okay, so we're here on my so press upload your skin and pick your skin. So let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. Yay! So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye.